Your dishwasher might look a little different than this one, but don't worry, these tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Dishes not getting clean? There's probably a simple solution. Here are our top tips to ensure sparkly clean dishes. First, make sure you're using the right cycle option for the soil level of your dishes. For example, Normal Wash, Power Plus, and Heavy Wash are recommended for normal to heavy soils. The Sanitize option, available on some models, can also boost cleaning performance. See your owner's manual for more cycle options. Loading the dishwasher properly makes a big difference. Load large items away from the detergent dispenser so they don't prevent it from opening. The spray arms need to spin, so keep taller items and handles out of the way. Don't let silverware nest. Space them out so the water spray can reach them. Your owner's manual has diagrams for proper loading. Make sure your home's water heater setting is at least 120 degrees. Bonus tip: run hot water at the kitchen sink right before starting your dishwasher. If using a powder detergent, make sure it's fresh. Use a rinse aid. It causes water to sheet off for spot-free results. Make sure your glass trap or filter, if your model has one, is clean and free from debris. Finally, you may need to unclog the spray armholes. A toothpick does the trick. That should do it. Now you know how to get clean, spot-free dishes every time. You've got this.